Thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a Ethernet port on a PS5 LAN or Ethernet port, whatever you'd like to call it. There is some really bad liquid metal displacement. We're going to cover that as well. Let's dig in. Alright, so as you can see, it's not the end of the show. We could obviously do jumper wires. It just is a bummer, a little more work. But they did mention that their dog put quite a bit of force into it. And then before I did any work, I did the tweezer test and none of the pins connected, and well, that's fine. But anyhow, let's move forward. Alright, so that's what we're looking at. Now we gotta do jumper wires all the way across. Oh, fun times. Alright, and that's what we're working with. There's the pads. Whole thing's pretty mangled. Alright, everything passed the tweezer test, continuity test. We're all good, we could bolt it up. But first, one last angle. And good old liquid metal displacement. Alright, we're all tested good. Thanks again for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. We appreciate all the support. Memberships available. Store open. Refurb units on the way.